Hello, everyone. Today I'll provide a short awareness session on the document numbering structure for the Abiona CCS development project. The purpose of this session is to help ensure consistent document numbering, proper classification, improved traceability, and alignment with Petrogas MCPIM standardization requirements. Correct document numbering is essential because it supports document retrieval, workflow management, revision control, and accurate project records references throughout the project lifecycle. Let's begin with the two main document categories used within the Petrogas MCPIM standardization framework. There are two categories. Category 1, non-correspondence. These are generally engineering, technical, and project management documents, such as drawings, P&IDs, data sheets, calculations, specifications, and most project management documents. These documents form the majority of controlled engineering deliverables. Category 2, correspondence. These include communication-type documents such as letters, RFIs, transmittals, and formal project correspondence. Although both categories follow a similar numbering philosophy, the structure differs slightly depending on document type. The next two slides will demonstrate the numbering composition for each category. Now let's review a typical numbering structure for engineering technical and project management documents. Each section of the document number has a defined meaning and is selected from approved coding lists to represent the document content accurately. Using the examples shown, ACD represents the project code for Abiona CCS development. 0000 identifies the area or facility code. PRO identifies the discipline code, in this case process. PID identifies the document type, which is P and ID. ABEE identifies the originator. ABE represents Abiona for internally generated documents. The following numbers identify vendor code, sequence number, and sheet number. This structured approach ensures uniqueness, consistency, and easier document tracking across the project. It is also important to note revision rules. The first revision of internally generated document should start at A01 when in draft state, and revisions increment sequentially up to H01 for published issues as applicable. Proper revision management is critical for maintaining document integrity and ensuring teams are working with the latest approved information. Next, we have the numbering structure used for correspondence documents. This format is typically used for transmittals, formal communications, and project correspondence records. In the example shown, ACD again represents the project code. ITM identifies the originating discipline or department. TRN identifies the document type as a transmittal. ABE identifies a Abiona entity as the originator. XXXs represents the recipient. The sequence number provides a unique identifier for each correspondence item. Unlike engineering deliverables, correspondence numbering focuses more on communication traceability between project stakeholders. Maintaining proper correspondence numbering is important for auditability, communication tracking, and contractual record management. That concludes the overview of the document numbering schema for the Abiona CCS development project. The key takeaway is that standardized document numbering helps improve document control, consistency, traceability, and overall project information management. If you require assistance with document numbering, coding structures, or document control processes, please contact the document control team using the email shown on the screen. Thank you for your attention. I'll now open the session for any questions.